What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video we're gonna go ahead and finish this guy. So as I mentioned last episode, I'm missing the mounts for this Swaybar. So if we look at the stock subframe, it'll be these guys, so that one and that one right there. Okay, so the plan is to get this guy, which is the bracket that holds the Swaybar in place, and we're gonna make some templates out of cardboard and then transfer that into metal, cut it, you know, probably weld some nuts in the back. These nuts got it. Right, I got these nuts right here. Weld those so I don't have to keep a wrench in there, you know, holding any place and none of that. So it'll be a pretty simple installation, kind of like OEM. So you can see right here, it's got the nut welded to the back of the bracket. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so as you can see there, I got the two mounts tacked in place. I test fitted the Swaybar, fits great, it's straight. So I think the next thing I'm gonna do is put some more tacks here, probably fully welded, and then work on doing the other side, because I only did one side for now. Since this thing has that angle coming down, I figured it was gonna be a better idea if I just do one side, get that fitted, and then I can do the other side, right? It'd be a lot easier to make the template. I don't have to be grinding metal back and forth to get it to fit right. Alright guys, so I got it ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead now and spray some primer on it. And the primer that I'm gonna use is this one. It's a self-etching primer, so it's a good primer for bare metal like we have here. Then also it will prevent this from rusting. because it was already, you know, starting to rust in some spots. So that's why you saw me with a Scotch-Brite going over the whole thing, and then I wiped it down with acetone. So it's ready for that primer. Alright guys, it's a new day and I got this thing all primed up. So now we're gonna go ahead and install it on the car. Hope that it fits just right. I haven't tried it yet, so see how that goes. Alright, so you can see it installed right there, it fits. I had to take it out once or twice because some of the holes were not lining up, but not a big deal. I just had to make it a little bit bigger and it fit just fine. Now, I'm pretty much at a dead stop right now because I'm waiting on some parts. So these hand joints take about 2 to 3 weeks to get to me every time I order new, and I have to order 4 for another set of arms for the other side, right? And I'm also waiting on some laser cutting for these, the bottom plate. That's for the rear caliper to mount to and the center hub. So I'm waiting on that. That's taking longer than it should. The place that I'm having these pieces laser cut is having some staff issues, people taking off for medical issues, so I have to wait for that. They told me it's gonna be ready next week, so I can't finish the rear suspension until that happens, right? So in the meantime I got a new project that I'm gonna show you right now, and here it is. It's an RX-8, I believe it's a 2004. So the plans for this car is to make it a truck car and probably LS swap it. And I know a lot of people don't like that idea, you know, keep it rotary or whatever, but I don't know, it's gonna be cheaper for me to put an LS on it, and it's also gonna be more reliable for what I need it. I don't want to spend a ton of money on this car. I just want it to be relatively fast and, you know, have fun at the track. So in the next video I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much wash it, you know, clean up the inside. Some of the plastics are off, and then change those wheels. I got a set of wheels for those. Also, I want to add that car has no engine in it right now. It's just a shell with a transmission on. So I'm not breaking a car that works to, you know, swap it. This is a shell that it was destined to be trashed, so there's no harm on doing it. This is what I was telling you about. So some of the interior pieces are out. The steering column is out, but all those plastics are back here. I just gotta reinstall them. And then these It seems like all of them cracked on here on the dash. That's pretty normal as well. But other than that, I mean, the seats look great. Other than the driver one has some cracks there, which is also normal wear. But yeah, it's not looking too bad inside. Now the plans from the inside are just to keep the interior. I am, however, gonna replace these seats, and I'll probably do a roll bar in the back for the harness. But that's gonna be about it for the interior. Not gonna go crazy with this one. Also, the paint is a little faded everywhere. See on the roof. Gotta get a spoiler for it. The wheels, like I mentioned, you're gonna see those in the next video. And yeah, it's just been sitting for a while. Look at that, that's mold right there, and then the wipers are rusted full of leaves. So yeah, a lot of cleaning, and get it out on the road again. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this video. I hope you enjoyed the content, and we'll be seeing you on the next video.